weekend is soon approaching, and on Good Friday we'll have our service at 7 p.m. in the evening, so do join us here at Excel Church for that. And on the Saturday morning you can join us for a lovely walk over at Cannock Chase, and we're going to be meeting over there at 10:30. So if you need transport, let us know, because there are limited spaces on the minibus, but if not, just meet us over there and we'll have a walk together. So we'll see you there for the Easter weekend.
To the moon, to the sun, love is one.
There's power in our togetherness, maybe above and beyond what any of us had yet imagined. Come and join us and be part of something powerful together.
Now we are held together by your love, in the mystery of God. We are.
You are invited to gather together with thousands of other Christians from right across the Black Country to begin to reimagine our future together.
And celebrating together the beautiful things that God is doing in our region.
We are together.
To the moon, to the sun, love is one.
On the 5th Wednesday of each month, we always do a leadership development night, and this month has 5 Wednesdays. So on the 29th of March, mark it in your diaries, it's a Wednesday, you can join us here at Excel Church at 7:30 for our next leadership development night. For anyone leading in church, if you're doing kids ministry, if you're on the team for youth, if you're on the team speaking, hosting, whatever it is in a leadership capacity, we really encourage you to come, because it's great growth and development for you and for the team. So we'll see you there.
Brought us out from the depths of the dark into mercy once and for all. We offer.
Hey guys, this is Youth News. Just got a little bored of just hearing Sandeep every week. Yeah, no offense. Anyway, I'm Chris, this is I'm here to tell you about what's going on in the youth this week.
So listen up.
Week on Tuesday from 6:30 till 8, we have 182.
This is where we hang out with our leaders and do homework if needed.
Seriously.
And we get a free meal! Cannot wait for Friday. You know that like slip and slide and everything. I didn't see that. So every Friday we have 180 at 8:15 till 10 p.m. You know, we talk about how to strengthen your relationship with God. You know, if you need any help, you can just talk to one of your leaders and, you know, really strengthen your relationship.
Yeah! If you want to know anything else about 180 Youth and what's going on, check us out online. Follow us at 180XL or check out our website excelchurch.org.uk/180youth.
That's all for youth news, what's going on this week. If you're in year 6 to year 13, make sure you join, because there's going to be lots of fun, lots of activities.
Just want to clarify, that means no year 4s and no 40-year-olds.
Except for Bampali. Andrew, he's getting old.
Jeez. Man.
So guys, that's all for Excel News, but one more thing, come here, come a bit closer. Whoa, not that close, gosh. There we go. Don't forget, this Saturday is Next Level, the Bible study. So if you want to come for that, come for 10 a.m. here at Excel Church. And this week is prayer and Bible study, where we're continuing the series, The Names of God. So come along for that on Wednesday at 7:30. Now that is all for Excel News. Have a great week, guys.